Meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing or clearing your mind using a combination of mental and physical techniques. Depending on the type of meditation you choose, you can meditate to relax, reduce anxiety and stress, or affirm and manifest what you want or desire in life. Affirmations work because if you repeat the same thing enough times, while feeling the emotion associated with it, you convince your mind that it's real. And because your mind can't be in a state of cognitive dissonance, it will do everything it can in order to make that happen in reality. You can mix the technique, brain waves for manifestation, with affirmations as well, and say them, in your mind, right before you sleep, for best results with the help of theta brainwaves. Communicating with your higher self or future is an extremely helpful manifestation technique. We release blockages and get used to acting and reacting from our higher self, rather than our ego. Start out in meditation and imagine your best self, who you want to become, with all the traits and characteristics you wish to manifest in your life. Next, take a few moments to ask your future self for guidance. What is the next step in order to achieve this? And stay in meditation for a few more moments, while being open to receiving the answers and guidance you need. Write down everything that came to mind during your meditation and then look over the list to connect the dots. Sometimes, the guidance is really clear, and sometimes you need to meditate on it for a while in order to understand it. Active visualization. Visualization means envisioning your desires in your mind using your imagination, and feeling the feelings of them being real. In the active visualization, you visualize the desire but you also act the part. Let's say, if you're manifesting a new car, you put your hands on its imaginary steering wheel and drive it while visualizing. And remember, the more fun you have in manifesting, the better the results. Practical meditation and affirmation techniques. Sit or lie comfortably in a dark place with no noise. Do it either before you wake up completely or before going to bed. Relax your spine and body. Close your eyes. Breathe naturally. Focus your attention on the breathing and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe and focus on your chest, shoulders, rib cage, and belly. If your mind wanders, return your focus back to your breathing. Recite your affirmations. Visualize your manifestations. Maintain this meditation practice for 2 to 3 minutes or more. Believe to fly.